Hello peoples, welcome back to the cocktail vlog. I'm Steve the bartender, and today I'm making another easy 3-ingredient cocktail with vodka base, the Great Gatsby. The Great Gatsby. So this cocktail is created by Matt Gilpin of Highlands bar in Birmingham in the UK. So it's light, bright, citrusy, pretty, somewhat of a low ABV cocktail. Real simple though, and it calls for grapefruit juice. So I've got a ruby red grapefruit. You can use a pink grapefruit, white grapefruit if you like. If you do use a white grapefruit, it's not going to have that nice sort of pink hue to it. I'm really roughly squeezing this, and don't worry, I'm not going to waste the rest of this fruit. I'll use that for something else. Now, if you don't have grapefruits available at this time, because half the people watching this are in lockdown, then you can also use lemon juice. Lemon juice is more acidic than grapefruit, so you'll have to adjust that. And if you prefer, you might add a little bit of sugar into it. You'll just have to do a little bit of experimenting. So on to first ingredient, 30 ml, 1 ounce of your vodka. Add that straight into your cocktail shaker. And then likewise for Lillet Blanc, which is a French wine-based aperitif. It's got a lot of citrus notes to it. 30 ml, 1 ounce. And you might be thinking, I don't have Lillet Blanc. Substitute for a dry vermouth if you like, if you've got one in the fridge, of course. I think that's probably the best alternative that you might have at home. And then 75 ml, 2.5 ounces of your grapefruit juice. Oh, came up short. Add ice to the cocktail shaker and give it a quick shake. And before I start shaking, the competition that I'm running at the moment, I still am doing $750 bar haul giveaway with 3 winners, so $250 each. I'm not cancelling it, but I'm just postponing it a little bit. I'll announce the winners maybe at the end of April. I do apologise, but given the current circumstances, I just need to reassess things at the moment. But it'll still be happening, it's still going ahead. If you have entered, you're still in the running. So give that a decent shake. Add ice into your glass and then strain over the top. And forget your Hawthorne strainer. Strain it straight in. And for garnish, an orange wheel. It's definitely not the prettiest looking drink. If you wanted to, you could garnish it with grapefruit as well. So there you have a Great Gatsby. I'm sure there's plenty of other drinks that are called Great Gatsby as well. And this is just one of them. Cheers. Get the citrusy aromatic profile of the Lillet Blanc coming through on the nose. That's delicious. If you like grapefruit juice, it's not overly bitter, but it's got that tartness and that acidity that complements the Lillet Blanc very, very nicely. And as I said, if you don't have Lillet Blanc, give it a try with dry vermouth and let me know in the comments below if you like it or not. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe. Pick your favorite video and share it with a friend, and I'll see you soon for another cocktail video. Cheers. Seriously, I dig that. It's light. I think if you added like a bar spoon of simple syrup, I think that would be really good. But it's delicious as it is. Gotcha.